Well, right there it is. It's got a piano hinge on it for the door. It's a different metal than the ammo can is. We got a piano hinge on it right there, which makes the door really tight. And got a handle that's a regular stove handle, and right there, turn her down, and stovepipe out there in the back side of it. It'll take you some oiling up, get her loosened up and everything. I don't think there's a hole, not one in it, probably. But it's a nice stove though. That's what I do know, for a fact. For a fact, yeah. Yeah, that's my stove right there. I'll be over here in a little while, not before too long, and we'll move over here. Makes it easier to stay out of the eyes. Yeah, there's Waylon there. Yeah, he's a good dog. Oh man, get my trekking pole. Yeah, have a look around, see what we can see. There's my old barricade, actually blind. It's put limbs all up on there and everything. Over there, right in there is where I had my firewood and everything. Had the tent right about where we're standing, I believe. Yeah, there should be a pretty good flat area right here. That's where I had the stove, actually, is right here. Had it sitting on these rocks. Doesn't have any legs, but pretty cool, pretty neat. Yeah, we're gonna search around over in here and see what we can see. Awesome. My old cooler's over here too. I can dig it. It's right over there in them bushes right there. Yeah, it is. I can dig it. Right in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's my cooler. I'm gonna shut her off for a minute so I can do something.